was watching a video and I realized one thing, that the video was about 13 minutes something, and 5 minutes into the video and I wasn't able to pay attention, and I realized that I'm cooked. My attention span, it is literally fucked up, and I need to do something regarding that, because I have been addicted to my phone since so long. Like every time I try to do something, it's always me grabbing my phone. I have the urge to like grab my phone and scroll something, and I've realized that it is getting worse and it is affecting my life to the extent that it is now affecting my academics. I might sound very SSA because I'm literally on the road and I'm trying to like record, so it is new to me, so just bear with it. So what I want to say is, I realized that why, like, I'm not even able to sit at a place and literally focus and concentrate for 10 minutes straight, and it is so bad to the point, the addiction. If I am doing or sitting idly, if I'm sitting idly, I cannot sit without my phone. I need to consume something, and procrastination, कुछ भी हो जाए, I'm just consuming the things, and I'm telling myself that okay, this is something related to productivity, so it is helpful and it is helping me in some or the other way. In reality, it is not, because I'm just consuming rather than doing the thing. If I'm worried about my studies, I wouldn't be watching 10 videos regarding how to ace your exam, what are the study hacks, what are the productivity hacks. I wouldn't be doing that, right? This is just me telling myself that okay, I am doing this so that I can do better. But in real, I could be doing the actual task, just studying. And then I feel my life is little messed up. I could literally do things which are going to help me, but rather than that, I would just watch videos how to get back on track and like this. So I would be sitting there and watching videos, consuming like the hell out of them, and the outcome is zero. I'm doing literally nothing about that. But I need to do something because I feel this is getting serious, and trust me, phone addiction is no less than any other addiction. As if smoking alcohol, it is worse than that, I feel, because constantly your brain is wanting the stimulation of that scrolling. You want something to scroll, and it is affecting the attention span so much, and everyone is talking about this matter a lot. You go on Insta, YouTube, wherever. So exactly, so today I did one thing about that. Like, we were talking about phone addiction and how it is ruining my life, and I think most of our life it is ruining. I'm not the only one at this point. I tried doing many things like commonplace book, setting a timer, deleting the apps, grayscale, every freaking thing that could be possible. I did everything, but I was never quite serious. I was like, आज करती थी, then again it is same, back to square one. So it never really helped me, or I wasn't very serious about the techniques I used before. But yesterday was the point where I realized that no bro, it is the time when you should actually think, because a thing which is going to ruin your life, or it is creating a disturbance, it is creating problems in your day-to-day life, that means it is quite serious, and it needs to be solved. And exactly why I decided today that when I'm setting a timer for my YouTube, because I'm not using Instagram as of now. I have Instagram, but it is hidden in my phone. Since I need it for college, I am in a PR department and need to keep the stories about our events and all. So for that reason, I have it. After the event is done, I'm going to delete my Instagram too. Also, the reason I have opened an account for posting documenting, which is again because of my inconsistency, it is again बंद पड़ा हुआ है. But I think वो भी बाजू रख दिया. I am consuming hell of the thing on YouTube which I think is helping me in some or the other way, but it is not. It is just overstimulating my brain, and my brain is literally fucked up, cooked up, whatever you say. It is not able to store many things because it is like, oh my god, I am just mentally masturbating myself. I am just putting things in my brain, in my head, and to the point that my brain has started aching, paining, it is hurting now. It is saying, it is screaming internally that stop, bro, stop. I cannot take it anymore. Enough of your help content. It is not helping you. So I've realized I'm not going to do many more things, but some things like instead of scrolling, I am going to read books. That's it. I used to love reading books, but I'm not able to concentrate and all that. And I again want to fall in love with reading. So I again told myself that when I'll be reading books, I'm not going to read self-help book. Then I realized all the books are self-help book, and I was so done with the material because literally the videos are regarding that. The books I'm reading, it is also about that, and I do not wanted to do that. So I got one book for myself, which is the book Murasaki Bookshop. I'm so sorry, I'm not recalling the name properly right now. I'm not able to recall it, but it is something like that. So 2-3 days I was reading the book, and at start I felt it is quite boring, and I'm just reading for the sake of taking that habit tracker mein, okay, reading done and that way. So yesterday was the point when I realized, right, कि बस हो गया, this is getting too much. So in today morning also, 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning, I was watching how to ace your exam, how to get score, and I was like, Mana, stop. And then I realized it's enough. Now I'm going to take things in my hands, and I'm actually going to change. I set the YouTube timer to 30 minutes every day. If I'm consuming it is for BTS. So I set the timer for 30 minutes. So I guess the 30 minutes would be just for me watching BTS ka content because I'm an army. And then afterwards it would be something, obviously I'm human. If I'm addicted to something, I just cannot cut it off, right? So I'll be spending some time, but it would be like consciously. I am going to track it where I am like investing my time and what content I'm consuming that way. So today I took the conscious decision that today I won't be taking my earphones with me, and I would rather have a book in my bag, and when till the time I reach my college I'll be reading that. And trust me, today was the day when I started enjoying reading the book which I was just reading for the sake of taking my habit tracker. But today, while on my way to the college and my way back to the home, I was reading it, and trust me, I enjoyed it so much. And then again, when I was in college, I was with my very dear and sweetheart friend. So we made a joint playlist, Spotify, which was also nice. So exactly, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'll see. Now I'm recording this video. I hope iske baad I do not consume anything and I just actually do the things. And I'll just keep posting you guys how the journey is going. And maybe recording and posting it is itself like I am responsible that it is like a responsibility that I am going to tell you that yo guys, I did it and you can too. So let's just see. This was the day one. Yeah, day one. Exactly. I don't know what else to say. I hope we all come out of this shitty addiction because it is literally ruining our life, our mental health and everything. It is literally also creating a disturbance with our relationships. Like when I sit at my house when we are having dinner, everyone is using their phone, and it is not very pleasant to me because I miss people chit chatting, and now we all are using the phone. And when I'm outside, I see everyone's head is down like this. Everyone is in the phone. It doesn't look nice, but what to do? At times we are also part of them. Slowly and steadily, I guess we all will understand how bad the impact of phone is in our life, and I hope we all overcome that. See you in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye. I don't know what I said in this. It was just me saying something. It was like it just felt as if I'm writing in my diary, like all the ऐसे गड़बड़ हुए वाले thoughts. It is just me writing down something, and I just felt like that while talking. I hope it makes sense to you. Even if it doesn't, I tried to make. So yeah, this was all for it. This was all. क्या हो गया मुझे? I'm so sorry. I am not having that habit of speaking. इसे रोज़ रोज़ बात नहीं करती तो it is literally creating problems. See, ज़्यादा फ़ोन चलाने से ये होता है, बोलना भूल जाते हो. Just kidding. I'll update. I hope I do update you guys with my progress. If not the progress, the bad days, I think I do, and I'm consistent with this at least. But whatever it is, that's it for today. Till then, bye bye. See you. बंद ही नहीं हुआ क्या?